In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use two mics on one interface in OBS Studio, OBS Stereo Channel Split tutorial. If you have a two-channel USB audio interface with two microphones plugged in, OBS will usually see it as a single stereo device. That can make it tricky to keep each mic separate. The solution is to split the stereo channels inside OBS, then make each mic play back in both ears so your audience hears a balanced mono feed from each person. Here's how to set that up cleanly. Start by opening OBS Studio. With OBS open, head to File, then Settings, and choose the Audio tab. This is where we tell OBS which devices to listen to. In the Global Audio section, set Mic Auxiliary Audio 1 to your USB audio interface, then set Mic Auxiliary Audio 2 to that same USB audio interface. Using both slots ensures we can treat the left and right channels as two separate mics while still coming from the same hardware. While you're here, make sure you're not unintentionally capturing the same interface in any other mic aux slot, which can cause doubling or echo. Click Apply and OK to return to the main window. In the audio mixer, find the gear icon or three dots on any of your mic channels and choose Advanced Audio Properties. This panel is where the channel split magic happens. For the first mic, adjust the balance all the way to the left to -1,000. On most two-channel interfaces, the left channel corresponds to input 1, so this isolates mic 1 to the left side only within OBS. Now for the second mic, adjust its balance all the way to the right to +1,000. That routes mic 2 to the right channel only, which typically corresponds to input 2. At this point, each mic is isolated to its own side, which gives you independent control and prevents crosstalk. To make each person sound centered and audible in both ears for your stream or recording, check the mono box for mic 1 and for mic 2. Mono tells OBS to take whatever is on that channel and duplicate it to both left and right so each speaker sounds properly centered to your audience while still remaining separate sources in your mixer. That's the setup. A quick tip, speak into one mic at a time and watch the meters to confirm only the intended channel moves, then make a short test recording to verify both mics are centered and clear. From here, you can fine-tune levels, add filters like noise suppression, and you're ready to stream or record with two clean independent mics on one interface.